In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to import leads into Pipedrive. Full tutorial. Before we jump in, a quick note on preparation. Make sure you have your leads in a clean spreadsheet, ideally CSV or XLSX. Include a clear header row with columns like lead title, person name, organization, email, phone, owner, label, and any custom fields you use. Keep one lead per row, avoid merged cells and formulas, and make sure emails and phone numbers are consistently formatted. If you're importing for the first time, consider testing with a small sample file first. Let's get started. Open your Pipedrive account and look to the left-hand panel. Click Leads to open the Leads inbox. This is the central place where new prospects live before they become deals, so importing here keeps your pipeline tidy and focused. Next, look for the small arrow next to Leads to open additional options. Click that arrow to expand the menu. From this menu, choose Import Data. This opens Pipedrive's built-in import wizard, which will guide you step by step. On the first screen of the wizard, click Next. This confirms you're importing to the Leads section and moves you into the setup flow. Now click Upload Spreadsheet and select your prepared file from your computer. If your file has a header row, the wizard will usually detect it automatically. If not, you can toggle that on so your headers aren't treated as data. Tip: if you see odd characters after upload, resave your file as UTF-8 CSV and try again. Follow the prompts to map your columns to Pipedrive fields. Match your spreadsheet's lead title to the lead title field, and connect person and organization names so the lead has proper context. Map contact details like email and phone, assign an owner if you manage territories, and set visibility as needed. If you have fields in your file that don't exist in Pipedrive, you can create new custom fields right from this screen. Pay attention to duplicate detection. Use unique data like email to prevent creating the same lead twice. Take a moment to review the preview rows and confirm everything aligns correctly. When everything looks good, click Finish. Pipedrive will process the import and show you a summary of created records, updates, and any rows that were skipped with reasons. If something doesn't look right, you can undo the import and try again. Finally, return to your leads inbox. Apply a quick filter like Imported Today or a specific label you used, and spot check a few records to confirm the data looks perfect. That's it. Your leads are now in Pipedrive and ready for follow-up.